Good job! All right, firecrackers! Yay, Parker!
Get there, Mal. Get up there.
Good job! Hurry, firecrackers! Woo! She's getting ready. Yay, Katie! Good job!
Who's the little girl with the braid?
I think that's great.
Grace?
I think so, yeah.
Back up, Em.
Claire. Cover the arms.
Woo!
Get up there, Mal. Oh.
Wow!
Clear out.
Yeah, I think it did, didn't it?
Oh, it is out.
Oh, I thought it was. Come on, get a firecracker over there!
Oh.
Oh.
Back up, Em. Here you go. You're ready to run.
All right, Katie!
Go, go, go.
All right, Mal.
Keep going, get it.
Good job!
Good job.
Kick it hard.
Oh, what a kick.
Wow,